Now it's time for interesting fact time. Do you know that the different parts of an addition and subtraction operation have names? The numbers that are to be added together are called addends, and the result of their addition is called the sum. For subtraction, the number which is going to be reduced is called the minuend, and the number that is going to be removed from the minuend is called the subtrahend, and the result of the subtraction operation is called the difference. So here's an example of addition and subtraction operations with their labels. If we have an equation like 10 plus 15 is equal to 25, then the numbers we are adding are called addends, and the result of the addition is called the sum. So 10 and 15 are called addends, and 25 is called the sum. For subtraction operations, like 25 minus 10, which is equal to 15, the first number which we will subtract from is called the minuend, while the number that we are going to subtract from the minuend is called the subtrahend. The result of the subtraction is called the difference. So 25 is the minuend, 10, which is being subtracted from 25, is called the subtrahend, and the result of subtracting the subtrahend from the minuend is called the difference.